following took place between day 4 and day 5. Step 3. Aggregate placement and backfill. Aggregate fill should be placed directly over the geosynthetic in 8 to 12-inch loose lifts. If the design section thickness is less than or equal to 12 inches, the entire section should typically be placed and compacted in a single lift to minimize further degradation of the subgrade. On relatively competent subgrades with a CBR of 4% or greater, standard, highway legal, rubber-tired vehicles may be driven over the exposed geosynthetic in a straight path and at speeds less than 5 miles per hour. These vehicles can dump aggregate fill as they advance, as long as this construction traffic does not cause significant rutting of the subgrade soil under the fabric. Sudden braking, starting, and sharp turning should be avoided. A minimum compacted aggregate fill thickness of 6 inches is needed for tracked construction equipment to operate on the geosynthetic. Tracked equipment should not be operated on exposed fabric. Also, turning of tracked equipment should be kept to a minimum to avoid displacing fill and potentially damaging the fabric. For softer subgrades with CBR of 4% or less, aggregate should be end dumped from the edge of the previously placed fill material, spreading from the middle outward. Unless the soils are very soft, standard compaction methods may be used. Once a stable working platform has been achieved, compact the remaining fill to project specifications. A preferred fill gradation for roadway applications is a well-graded, crushed aggregate with a maximum particle size of 1.5 inches and less than 10% fines. For unpaved applications, most clean, compactable granular fills are acceptable.